camera. It's now missed half of it. Never mind. Here we go. Cap's useless. What's she doing? Sorry about that, folks. Decided to put itself on camera.
Stay on the ramp until we get past these doors.
Yeah, I heard that, Steve. I think when we bring, whoever's bringing boat out needs to bring petrol with him. The standard. I've got a jerry can at home. Yeah, we'll fucking fill it up. Well, if we bring them, fill them up and just fucking bring half of 3 of them. I'll leave them here. Then we can just fill them all up in a one, can't we? Then we've always got a decent stuff because it fucking guzzles them. There's that thing. Yeah, just 2. Yeah. Don't have to be out special, mate. Want this strap off and all. Do we need out else off? That's it, innit? Yeah, he wants us to stay on until I get past his boat. Steve, can you shift that get boulder? Well, we don't need it there, but it won't get in weight. Just, yeah. Should just missed that. If you're gonna drop down, just watch yourselves. I can go and get ladders now if you want. That's us for the next 6 hours. Yep. Chock under. You get a chock under, Steve. Steve, get a chock under first. I'll do. You have to unloop it.
I get it dirty.
Yeah. Cheers, Brian. Wrong job.
Will you fetch that strap up for Steve? Will you fetch that strap up?
Oh yeah, yeah. We're gonna take it off now. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. This strap can come off now. Try and keep it clean.
Yeah. I don't get this dirty. Commodore. You're not Commodore, is it?
Brigadier General. Plenty of good advice. He never fucking touches anything, does he? Huh? You want to go and unhook it? Okay. One boat on the. You got it? One boat on the mooring, ready for the tide to come in. This is the exciting bit now. 5 hours of waiting for the tide coming in. Okay.
Take a picture and send it to her and put it online. Is it going?
We'll have to edit this though, won't I? It'll be shite. No swearing. There she is, ready for action. Right, go and get some ladders, eh?
All straight now.
Difference in types. Bermuda rig, gaff rig. We haven't the gaff on yet. A few little jobs to do now. Soon fire the engine up. Ready for action.